This year, HelloFresh wants to help you transform your Thanksgiving dinner into a stress-free and out-of-the-box feast. HelloFresh head chef Corby-Sue Neumann is here to share some tips on how you can serve up Thanksgiving with a twist. Hello, Corby-Sue. Good to see you.
Lovely to see you, my friend. How are you?
Well, you know what? I'm doing great, and I got to tell you, since I saw you last, I have become a HelloFresh customer. We've been enjoying HelloFresh for, about a year now. And I'm telling you, I was like, you have no idea how useless I was in the kitchen. Like, scary useless. And it's actually turned me into a faux chef. Like, I feel like I can cook now. Although,
get rid of faux. You are all the way.
It's amazing, but I was going to say, like, I'm doing a horrible job of recruiting new customers, though, because I'm lying and telling people I just whipped it up myself.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Here are hopefully some ideas that will inspire, and you can say whatever you want to whoever you want. First of all, welcome to my kitchen.
Yes,
and,
beautiful.
You know, I have to say, we know that we're living in unusual times, and a few months ago, we already started thinking about the holidays and, of course, what's coming up at Thanksgiving. How do we do it and make it still feel meaningful and celebratory, but safe? So HelloFresh, I think, has some out-of-the-box recipes for you. Thanksgiving doesn't need to just be turkey, although I will say we do have a fabulous turkey dinner if you're looking for that as well.
Okay.
So,
now, beyond
Bob,
Thanksgiving, I wanted to ask you, like, how many recipes are there?
Thousands, my friend.
Yeah.
I'm actually 20. It's why I look 50.
Well, I can tell you, everyone's been a hit. There hasn't been
wonderful
and easy to follow. It's incredible. So let's put together a couple of options, different options for Thanksgiving.
Absolutely. Okay, so as I said, turkey, love turkey. We work with a gorgeous local Canadian family based in Dashwood, the Haters Turkey Farm, third generation. We love them. Got to say the same about other suppliers that we use. Let's talk salmon. I mean, we are Canadian. We love salmon. So what about a pecan-crusted sweet potato mash with chive and roasted Brussels sprouts? Thank you very much.
Wow.
Really simple. The great thing about HelloFresh and meal kits is that we send all the ingredients pre-portioned. So this is what you're going to receive. Here's the raw, doesn't take a lot, and a recipe card, basically your own personal cooking instructor to walk you through it. And let's just finish this off with some beautiful Canadian maple syrup.
And every recipe takes 30 minutes to complete.
Yes. Yes.
90 minutes for me.
And don't be hard on yourself if it's a few minutes more.
Right.
The longer you're with us, the quicker you become.
We're only giving you 2 minutes, Corby.
Well, I can do this in 2 minutes.
I know you can.
And I'm confident we can get people over the line in 2 minutes also. So when we thought about Thanksgiving, as I said, turkey, salmon, but let's go for something maybe a little more sophisticated. How about a crispy skin duck? And this is a gorgeous product from the King Cole family, also based here in Canada. We love using their product. So we've got a crispy skin duck with a stuffing, but a bit of a twist on the stuffing. We're using freekeh, which is a really popular grain at the moment. Lovely, locally sourced mixed mushrooms, fresh parsley, thyme. And what we like to do is show you how to just use really simple ingredients and then kick it up a notch. So we've got blueberry jam, balsamic glaze, which when we warm it over the stove, all of a sudden, bingo, bango, we have a really beautiful restaurant quality blueberry sauce. What do you think?
That looks incredible.
Okay, so Bob, like, when are you going to be here?
Well, you know, we're gonna make Thanksgiving really easy for some Morning Live viewers. You actually have a promo code for Morning Live.
We sure do.
What are you offering up?
Well, look, if you're inspired by recipes like this and you're looking for more, head to HelloFresh.ca or over to our HelloFresh mobile app. And for our CHCH viewers, and we love you, we have a special code, CHCH90. Use it at checkout for $90 off, including free shipping. Dinner is served.
Great deal. And Thanksgiving looked after. Well, thank you, and we'll let you get back to your busy kitchen. Looking forward to more recipes from HelloFresh. And yeah, I got to tell you, I'm really impressed. They've all been fantastic. Fantastic to see you again, Corby-Sue Neumann.
Thank you so much, Bob. All the best.